What's up, guys? Heading down to a Fox River at Voyager Park. We've got Jason here, got Taylor, got Darius. We're gonna do some fish slaying and some diving. Anything to say?
No. We're gonna catch some fish.
Yeah, they're gonna catch some fish. Let's do this. All right, guys, this is Ty and Brock. They got a bunch of white fish today. You guys have fun?
Oh yeah.
Cool. Catching your walleye at all or no?
I caught two.
Two? Awesome. Well, good job. Thanks for showing me.
All right, guys, made it to Voyager Park in here, Wisconsin. About to hop in the water. Do some diving.
Yeah, get it.
What's up, guys? Pretty good. Good day. What's that? Yeah, I gotta find out. I lost my GoPro light. I was fishing a week and a half ago. My GoPro tipped over, the light was flying in the water. I gotta find that yet.
And my $70 light on the side went flying off into the water over there. So that sucks. Man, what a bummer.
Well, so far, pretty cool dive. Found a lot of jigs. Still can't find my GoPro camera light. It's over here somewhere. Hopefully it didn't flow too far, but I hope to find it. Look at that guy. Oh. Hey, bud. Ouch! Got me! Oh! Let go. Look at that. He got me through my glove. That's strong. Alright, let go. Oh, man. He is not happy. He's even pinching himself there. Okay, there we go. You adding any lures to the pile out there? No. Yeah, nice ripping wrap. First ripping wrap of the year. And it's brand new. With the about 80 feet of line on it. I'll get out of your way in a second. No, I can maybe see like maybe a foot. Yeah, just waiting for a big fish to come in my face. Ed, the diver. My name's Ed Beaver is my name. There you go. You got it on camera too. There you go. Here with the Drowns, Dave Drown and Sam Drown. They're divers too. Got anything to say?
Not really. Good luck on lure retrieval, and hopefully you can help a lot of people out when they lose their phones and their cameras.
Oh yeah, and Sam.
I already found one.
Sam found one.
Keep up the good work, Ed.
Thanks, Sam. Thanks, Dave. But yeah, it'd be nice to get out there, but that's where all the lures are. But the only way to get them out there is let people fish out there. So, catching any fish or just rocks? Got lots of rocks to catch. Pretty good, man. How you doing? Yeah, not too much. Nothing much.
Just clean it up a little bit.
Yeah, just clean it up. I gotta wait till the season gets a little later. I can get out there. There's less people. Don't want to get in anybody's way. Yeah.
You have a good one.
You too. Thanks. Yummy. Well, just got a bunch of garbage picked up on the shore there. River Walleye, check it out. It's pretty cool over here. A lot of people fishing all over there. All the way down, way back there, there's boats in the water. Pretty cool. Learn the lesson, then let it go. That's the lesson for today. Learn the lesson, then let it go. That's like wrecking your shoulder with arm wrestling. Learn the lesson, let it go. I did that.
You need to take a picture with your... Oh, neat. Don't ask. Perfect.
I've been married twice already. Oh boy. I'm not good at it. Alright guys, I think I'm done diving out here today. Not much to find. A lot of people are fishing. Cannot get out there where I want to get. But if you see all the boats that are out there, it's just crazy. All the people fishing. Beautiful day. It's like almost 60 degrees. People are catching fish. I think more whitefish than anything. But they're still catching walleye. And I think I'm going to go take my stuff off and go fishing myself. I can't wait to get over here again soon.